Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Wix's email marketing tutorial. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on the Wix dashboard, and over here as you can see we have a bunch of different websites. Now when you first log in, this is going to look like. So over here we're just simply going to choose the website that we are going to be creating a campaign for. So for example, if I'm going to select this website, simply click on select and edit site. We're going to take over to the dashboard for this website. We're going to start editing and creating our email campaign. So once you have loaded up, it's going to tell you over here, as you can see, the latest email campaign. You're going to have your option over here, but if it doesn't show it over here, then you're going to come over here onto the left side, and over here click on marketing and SEO, and over here you will have marketing homepage. You will have email marketing over here at the bottom. Simply click on email marketing, and then we are good to go. And boom, here we go. So over here we will have some templates that we can choose from over here, and we can edit them out as well. That we will have more templates over here. If you click on this button, let's go ahead and see some more templates and choose which one we like. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different templates. Now you can choose whichever template that you think fits best your business. So if you want to have like a travel blog, or workout session, or food review, or yoga, or newsletter, or anything like that, then you can choose one of these templates and we can begin. So for now, I really like this one over here, the first one. It's very simple and pretty easy. So let's go ahead and take a look over here and view this template. So as you can see over here, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy about this. Yeah, I really like that. So we have simple, letter over here at the top, simple title. We will have our image, and then we will have our main content for our email, and then we will have our name. So yeah, I think this looks nice. So now we're just simply going to click on use this template, and we are good to go. So over here, as you can see, we have 3 steps we need to create. We have to add recipients, and then we have to publish and send. So nothing too crazy over here. And then we have all of our other tools over here on the left side, so such as text, image, button, divider, columns, logos, videos, and all of that. So you can add all of them over here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Over here, this is the main page, our title, the image, and the main concept and the main paragraph of our email. And then we have more newsletters and highlights of our whole email over here. So as you can see, pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. If you want to make any changes, all you have to do is just simply click over here, and you can make changes over here. If you wanted to change the image, so all you would have to do is just simply click on the image, then it's going to give you the option over here on the left side, and then you just simply click on change image over here. Then you can choose an image from the Wix's library as well. So it's loading up right now. Over here, as you can see, you have your site folders over here, your site files. All of your site files are going to be over here. But if you want to add some different images, just simply click on media from a Wix, or you can use Shutterstock or Unsplash as well. You will have tons and tons of different images from both of these. So Shutterstock over here and try to find one. So over here we have a bunch of different images. So if I just simply search for, let's say, email over here, maybe some image regarding emails will be shown over here as well. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different images, but none of them best fits our need. But over here, I'm pretty sure we can still use some of these images. So yeah, maybe you can add the image of what your email is about. So as I said before, if it's about food review, or foods, or restaurant, or let's say fitness or yoga, so we can go with the yoga over here. Let's go ahead and search for yoga on Shutterstock. Maybe we'll find some images that we like. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different images. So you can choose whichever image you think best, that you think represents your company or your email letter the best. So you can go ahead and choose that. So I really like this one over here, so I'm going to choose this one, but it's for $2.99, so you have to buy that image. But if you want free image, you can go over to media for Wix, and you can search for it over here. So let's go ahead and search for yoga over here on media for Wix, and we can find a free image that we can use. Okay, so over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different images that we can choose from. So I'm looking for an image that has a vertical, or maybe like a square type of orientation, so we can choose that. Over here, I think I saw one over here, as you can see, like this one over here. This one looks pretty good, so I'm going to select that image, and I'm going to click on add to page over here, and it's going to be added over here. So as you can see, now we have a different image. Now we can go ahead and change the background of these 2 columns as well to match it. So over here, if we click on design, we can see we have the background color over here. So let's go ahead and change the background color. Click on the color icon, and now maybe we can pick a different color, like an orange color over here. So it's a little bit red. No, here we go. Now we can go ahead and make it orange. Yeah, that looks nice. Now let me just copy this color code and we'll, change. All right. So again, just select the column over here. So there are two columns right here. So let me just go ahead and, edit those out. So click on the color and I'll just paste the color code over here. Here we go. We'll click on yes. And then same for this one as well. It's a little bit darker compared to, the lighter color over here, but it gets the job done. Resemblance, nothing too serious. Paste the color, tick icon, and boom, here we go. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty cool, looks really nice. Then you can edit it out, as I said before. So you can go ahead and change the title, change the, texts over here, and you can change the overall theme of the whole, email and receipts and all of that. So over here, as you can see, it looks pretty nice over here. If you want to, let's say, add or delete or change some of this, just simply select the section you want to delete or change. Let's say we wanted to remove this, so we'll just simply remove this over here. Double click over here on remove. There you go, it's now removed. Let me just remove this one as well, and then remove this one as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, right? Now, if you're wondering how you can, put links to these, buttons, then just simply click over here onto the button, and over here down below, you will have the URL. So you can paste the URL of your topic, what you want to discuss over here. So as you can see, for example, if I've put the URL to my website over here, so whenever someone clicks on this button or this button, they're going to be redirected to my website. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to add more buttons or dividers or more columns, maybe like a logo or a video or a sign up page, you can go ahead and do that as well. But once you have edited your email address, your overall email, then you just simply click on next and we can begin to add recipients. So now we'll just simply click on next, and over here you can add your recipients. So over here you have all recipients. So these are like demo people, but we don't want to add them. So we'll choose this email, which is my email for testing. So I'll choose that, and then I'll just simply click on next. And then this is the final step. This is the publish and send option. So over here you can add the subject line. You can add this person over here from name, so you can add in your name. So I'm just simply gonna say John Doe over here, and then over here down below we can add the email where we want to send. So over here, what does this say? Choose the email address that people will reply to your email address. So I'm simply gonna add my other email address over here, and now we will send this email over here onto this person. Actually, I want to keep this email the same email as my own. So now I'm just simply going to click on send test email, and over here we're going to send their email to the people. So over here I'm just simply going to go ahead and add like a temporary email. So I'm simply going to search for temp mail over here. So I'm going to come over here on tempmail.org, and I'm just simply going to copy the email. Now I'm just simply going to paste that email over here onto this line, and I'm just simply going to click on send, and then it's going to send the test email. So as you can see, it was successfully. Now let me just come over here. As you can see over here, we have the email. So if I click on this email right here, let it load a little bit. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So everything is just as I said. So now if I wanted to read more, if I click on the button, it's going to redirect me over to my website over here, as you can see. So it works pretty nice, works pretty cool, right? Nothing too serious. So as you can see, it works 100%. Then you can do is just simply click on send now, and you are good to go. So over here, you can, share it on Facebook. You can create a pin on Pinterest or tweet it, and then you are good to go. So simply click on done. And now whenever you want to send your emails out to your contact list, you can send this out automatically. So pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. So as you can see over here, this is the recent campaign that we created. So that is how you create an email campaign using Wix. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.